Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the 16th cohort to 2021. The exam is going to be held on 31st October. Yes, anyone can unmute and read what I posted on the screen. From Dasera 2021. From here you can read.
Sir, happy Dasara, sir. Dasara 2021, Dasara or Vijay Dashmi will be celebrated on October 15th, Friday, this year with much favor and zeal. The Hindu festival is observed on Shukla Paksha Dasami during the month of Ashwin as per Hindu lunar calendar, and a day after Mahanavami or at the end of Sharadiya Navaratri. Dasara denotes victory of good over evil, and there are two stories that are associated with the festival in Hindu mythology. It is said that it was on this day that Goddess Durga defeated Mahishasura after a fiery battle lasting for more than 9 days. In many in many parts of this country, it is celebrated to mark the victory of Lord Rama over 10-headed demon king of Lanka, Ravana, Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain.
Yes, there's two stories are there. One is the goddesses Durga defeated the Mahishasura. The another story is here, Rama killed the 10-headed Ravana. These are the, because it is a victory over the evil by the good, that is a commemoration of that one, it will be celebrated. Now, without wasting the time, that will come to our study. Good evening to everybody, to the students of the IBA 16th Cohort 2021 All India Bar Examinations. That is the 16th cohort in the intellectual property law, the multiple choice questions compiled by me, that is Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain. So now I will stop the video so that the concentration is more on my study, as well as the bandwidth also increased. Number one, intellectual property can be defined as all three, right? But one is false. A. Inventions of the mind, innovations. B. Literal and artistic works, symbols. C. Title. And D. Images used in commerce. Which one is not related to the
C,
intellectual
sir. C.
property? What is the
Titles
right
and
answer? The
C,
right
sir.
answer is there should not be titles, there should be names. C is the wrong answer. There should be names and not the title. That is not related to that one. Okay, next comes to the second question is well, the first question that you did well, I appreciate it. The second question is intellectual property empowers all three, but not one among them. A. Individual enterprise. B. Or other entities to exclude others. C. From the use of their creations. D. With their consent. What happened?
Sir,
Shoot
B.
even though.
Sir,
B, sir.
B, sir.
B.
Second
B or
option.
other
Second option.
entitles to include. Sir,
Yeah. No. Second option. Without their, the D is the right answer. Without their consent is the correct statement. But in the above, it is wrong way that I mentioned with their consent. So D is the right answer. Okay, now the third question is what is the copyright and which statement is false regarding it? A. Copyright or author's right is a legal term used to describe the right creators have over their literary and artistic works. B. Works covered by the copyright range from the books, music, paintings, sculptures, and films to computer programs, databases, advertisements, maps, and technical drawings. C. Intellectual property, IP, is a category of the immobile property that includes the intangible creation of the human intellect. D. There are several areas of intellectual property, including the copyright, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets. Among A, B, C, D, which one is the wrong answer?
D, sir. D.
sir, C, sir. C.
C is
Intellectual
the
property
right
is a category.
answer. C is the right answer because intellectual property is category of property, not immovable property. So the property is the right word. I added the immovable property. So property that includes the intangible creation of the human intellect, because intangible property is always abstract one. A immovable property is a tangible one. So the answer is the C is the right answer for that one. Okay, now the fourth question is which one statement is wrong or false among the four reading regarding the IP? A. Intellectual property refers to the creation of the mind, such as B. Inventions, characters, literary and artistic work. C. Designs and symbols and names. D. Images used in commerce.
Sir, D, sir. Images and used in commerce.
What was why it is wrong?
Why it is first one is refers to IP, sir. Second one invention and character, sir. Third one designs also right, sir.
No, the
Images are
B
used
is
in the.
B is wrong. There is no character is there.
Why, sir?
Only inventions are there, literary work is there, artistic works are there. I added character there in the B. So there is no character,
Yeah.
but I inserted the word character. Hence, answer is B. Because character is not over there in the statement. Okay. Now the fifth one is how many IPRs are covered under the TRIPS agreement? 6 categories, 7 categories, 8 categories, 9 categories. Intellectual property rights.
Seven, sir.
It is 7 right. That is Aisa Hassan has given the right answer. It the 7 is the right answer. TRIPS agreement covers the 7 categories of intellectual property rights. Now, TRIPS agreement covers the 7 categories of the intellectual property rights. What is the exact or correct sequence in the TRIPS agreement? I want the sequence, correct sequence. Copyright, trademarks, geographical indications, patent, industrial designs, integrated circuit, trade secrets. B. Copyrights, trademarks, patents, geographical indications, industrial designs, integrated circuit, trade secrets. C. Copyright, trademarks, industrial designs, geographical indications, patents, integrated circuits, trade series. The last one is D. Copyright, trademark, geographical indications, industrial designs, patents, integrated circuits, trade secret. Which one is the correct sequence? Yes, anyone? Even I can show you the A also. Now you could see all the options A, B, C, D. Now you can give me the answer. I say correct sequence. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter, shoot.
C.
It is a D is the right answer. First one is copyright, second one is trademarks, third one is geographical indication, fourth one is industrial design, fifth one is patent, sixth one is integrated circuit, and seventh one is the trade secrets. This is the sequence where one should be followed. According to Dash of the WIPO, that is the World Intellectual Property Organization, Central Organization for the Protection of the Intellectual Properties, and the Export Organization in the UN. That is a dash. Which section deals? Intellectual property shall include the rights relating to the literacy, artistic, and scientific. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Repeat.
Yes, sir. Yes, section 2.
You have to give the full answer to me, not because when you are saying A or B or C, I could not find.
Yes, section 2, sir.
No, there is a Article 2 is there in that property right. There is no section 2. Article 2. It is according to Article 2 that UN Charter, that is intellectual property shall include the rights relating to the literary, artistic, and scientific works, inventions in all fields of human endeavor, scientific discoveries, industrial design, trademarks, service marks, and commercial names and designation, protection against the unfair competition, all other rights resulting from the intellectual activity in that industrial, scientific, literary, or scientific field. It is the answer is Article 2. Don't say Section 2. Okay, now the match the following terms in Part 1 with the explanations in Part 2. I have given patent, trademark, copyright, geographical indications. Then the right hand side I made. It is a sign capable of distinguishing the goods or services of the one enterprise from the other enterprise. B. The legal right to be the only person to make use or sell a product or an invention. The document that shows in this is your right. And C. It is defined in the TRIPS agreement as an indication which identifies a good as a originating in the territory of the members or a regional locality in the territory where a given quality, reputation, or other characteristics of the goods is essentially attributable to its geographical origin. Then the last one is D is a collection of the rights that automatically vest to someone who creates an origin work of authorship like a literary work, song, movie, and software. Now I will pull down and keep it at one place so that you could see total thing now. So now you can see the answer also. Yes. Now you tell me. Which one is there? 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, 1B, 2D, 3A, 4C, 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C, and the last one is 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. Which one is the correct sequence?
Sir, C, sir.
It is a C is the correct sequence. 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Sanjarani is correct. Patent means the legal right to the only person to make use or sell a product or an inventions or document that show that this is your right. And the trademark is it is a sign capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one enterprise from those of other enterprise. Copyright is a collection of rights that automatically vests in the someone who creates the original work, authorship like a library work, song, movie, or software. And geographical indications, that is, the GI TRIPS agreement as an indication which identifies a good as originating in the territory of a or a member or the regional locality or the territory where a given quality, reputation, or other characteristics of the goods essentially attributable to its geographical origin. Can you give me one example regarding the geographical indications? Yes. Try. One example for the geographical indication which shows the product from that place.
Sir, Kondapalli Bommalu.
Kondapalli Bommalu is a beautiful answer, Pushpa. Lata, you are given. Nagpur Santra, Kanpur Chappal. Yes.
Yes,
What?
Mysore Laddu.
Hyderabad
Mysore
Biryani.
sandal, sir. Soap, sir. Soap. Mysore soap.
Mysore sandal
Mysore
soap.
soap, sandal soap. There are
Sir,
so
Mangalagiri
many
cotton.
things are there. Even what is there?
Mangalagiri cotton, sir.
Rasam from where?
Sir, sambar.
Sambar from Tamil Nadu, rasam from the Mysore.
Uh,
So now we will have that question now. Which is not the
Pochampalli
Indian
saree, sir.
geographical... Yes, now we will speak. Aisha Hassan. We have the many things here. Which is not an India geographical indication. Now you tell me. Basmati rice, Kela rice, Alfonso mango, Feni. I said not Indian geographical indication.
Sir, what is the last one?
D, sir.
Feni.
Sir, answer is Feni.
Fendi from the Goa, cashew nuts. It's a liquor made from the Goa.
Kondapalli Bommalu.
Not
D, sir.
Kondapalli. I have not given Kondapalli Bommalu here.
Feni, it's Feni.
Feni from the Goa. Regional is. Second option.
Basmati rice, sir. Rice.
Basmati from the Uttarakhand, from the India, from the Japan, and many. There is no a particular place.
Alfonso is from Maharashtra, so
Kaila rice, sir.
Kela
D, sir.
rice. Kela rice. See here, I have given the example. Past for Indian geographical indication. Basmati rice, Alfonso mango, Nagpur orange, Kolhapuri chappal, Bikaner bhujia, Agra peta, Paithini and Banaras sari, Feni liquor from the Goa, Lonavala chikki, Tirunelveli halwa, Mysore rasam. Tanzania rice achievement is a primary or that. Then Kela is a place. The Kela rice is far better than the Imbaya rice. And a Morogoro rice is viewed as a quality as a Kela rice and Imbaya rice. But Shininga rice comes in that fourth category. Kela is a place in Tanzania. The rice is a good rice. I prepared the Kela rice. I prepared the Morogoro rice, Shinyanga rice. I could not succeed even after 1 year also. That's why I purchased always the basmati rice. Otherwise, sometimes it became a lie, sometimes it became a hard. So the beautiful is basmati rice is a good one. It cannot become a lie, even a much pulp. Okay, let's come to the what makes up the staples food in India in the right and correct sequence. Staple food, I said rice, millets, wheat, pulses, dairy, vegetables and fruits. B. Rice, wheat, millet, pulses, vegetable, dairy, and fruit. C. Rice, wheat, millets, pulses, dairy, vegetables, and fruit. D. Rice, wheat, millet, dairy, pulses, vegetables, and fruits. Which one is the correct sequence?
B, sir.
In India, I said.
B, sir. B.
No,
sir,
the
B.
answer is C.
B.
Rice, wheat, millet, pulses, dairy, vegetables, and fruits. C is the right sequence. Okay. TRIPS full form is, now you tell me. A. Trade related aspects of the intellectual property rights. B. Trade related aspects in intellectual property rights. C. Trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. D. Trade related aspects of intellectual property right. Even writing style also very important. Writing style also very important.
C, sir.
D, sir, D.
C is the right
D, sir.
answer.
D. D.
C is the right answer. Trade hyphen related aspects of intellectual property rights. It is not right, rights. Yes, is there. That the C is the right answer. Okay, next comes to the 12th question. Can anyone unmute? Not anyone. I will particularly point out somebody else so that I could know whether they are there or whether they went for the washroom. Swati, can you unmute and read the 12th question? Swati, can you unmute and read the 12th question?
Sir, for 11th question, what is the difference between B and C? Both are same, right? B and C.
See the difference of I said
Right, sir, right.
rights is C, right is D. The right answer is yes is there. Any doubt? Yes, Swati, please read the 12th question.
So, okay, the three main features of TRIPS are dash and one is not connected the features of TRIPS. Which one it is?
A. Read. Okay, doesn't matter. I will read it. A. Standards. B.
A.
Enforcement. C. Dispute
Standards.
settlement. D.
B.
Dispute adjustment.
Adjustment. Same phone is not
Okay, now you can mute it.
correct. Disturbance.
Unless you give the right
Okay.
answer, you can mute it now. What is the right answer? Sir, shoot
Dispute
it.
adjustments.
Wrong. It's the C is the right answer. Dispute settlement. Yes, sir. One falls among the function of the TRIPS. Function of the TRIPS. I said function of the TRIPS. The TRIPS agreement plays a critical role in the facilitating trade in the knowledge and creativity. B. In resolving the trade dispute over intellectual property. C. In assuming the WTO members. D. The latitude to achieve their domestic objective. All three belong
D,
to the
sir.
TRIPS.
D, sir.
Yes.
D, sir.
Sorry, second option.
C, sir.
What is the wrong there? In the C, what is the wrong there? Can you tell me? It is not assuming, it is assuring. It is assuring WTO members, not assuming. It is assuring WTO members. That is the right answer. Then GATT stands for, now you can make it out. C, A, General Agreement on Tours and Travels. B, General Indictment on Tariffs and Trade. C, General Disagreements on Tariffs and Trade. C, General Agreements on Tariffs and Trade.
D, sir. D, sir. D.
B
D,
is
sir.
the right answer. I appreciate Hassan also gave and another person also given. Before I complete the 4 multiple choice question, you should be in a position to give because you can see my screen. When I was reading, you can clearly observe my screen. And before I finish my reading, or at least after finish my reading, you have to say that D is the right answer. Okay, 15th question. General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade was first signed in which year? 1946, 1947, 1948, 1949.
1949, sir.
Independence Day.
1949, sir.
1947, independence, I told you. So the next question is, GATT was designed among 4 It is a design among the four. One is a false one. A, to provide a national forum. B, that encourage free trade between the member states. C, by regulating and reducing the tariffs and traded goods. D, providing a common mechanism for resolving the trade disputes. Please closely watch, you can easily find the answer. But the GATT is the international one, but I wrote national there. And you know what is the answer? I said GATT is the international one. I wrote national there. Then what is the right answer? A, to provide a national forum. No. Feedback you see. To provide an international forum. I removed the international, I put the national. So that is the wrong, which is the false one. Later on the clear. To provide is GATT. See here GATT, 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 WTO, TRIPS, EMO, all functions I have given here. All functions I have given over here. So functions also very much important. So now next, WTO founded in dash as a successor to the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, that the GATT, which comes into force in, now tell me the both. WTO when it come into the force and GATT when it came into the force. 1948 and 1995, B 1995 and 1998, C 1995 and 1848, D 1995 and 1945. Make a luck. Don't worry. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. There is no negative marks.
Sir, WTO was founded in 1995, sir.
Then what is the right answer? It's
Sir,
a
maybe
C.
C, sir. C.
1948,
It is a
1948.
C. C is the right answer. WTO founded in 1995 and GATT came into force in 1948. That is the right answer. Okay, which
Sir,
one is
actually
false?
1997, sir.
No. 1948. Check it. Can I? Why you have to worry? Why we have to worry? I will make you, whether it is right or wrong, I will make it now, or you can also check in your smartphone. Then both will come into the picture. Let us see. See what is given.
Signed by 23 countries in October 1947. After
Mhm.
World War II became law in 1948.
Yes, that is the thing.
1947, that's what.
Yeah. So now next is which one is false in the pair? Tell me. IMO in shipping company, International Marine Organization. IMO in social media, in my opinion. IMO in a postal, Indian money order. IMO in agriculture, indigenous microorganism. Which one is a false pair? Sir, do you ask in such a way? No, I saw somewhere such a pair. That's why I put in this way.
Sir,
Sir, B in
IMO in
social media.
sir, B, sir. B.
Wrong. Shoot another
Sir,
one.
Sir, A in shipping
C.
company.
C. IMO in a postal Indian money order. No. IMO means instant money order, not Indian money order. I should be small. That to be again. Here I have given the feedback. I is a small, M is a capital, O is a capital, instant money order. The commission which I have shown over there. Okay, next comes to the Constitution provides for the preservation of the cultural identity of the tribal population, although dash impose such group to have an autonomous council for the self-government in accordance with their customs and traditions. Legislative bodies have the power to make the laws protecting traditions and customs. Now the two dashes are there. A, Schedule 6, Article 371. B. Schedule 5, Article 371. C. Schedule 6, Article 370. D. Schedule 5, Article 370. A is fit or B is fit or C is fit or D is fit. Shoot. No negative marks. Try your luck. Use your sixth sense. See, you know Article 370, definitely. That means deductive method, if you adapt it, 370 will not come into the picture. Means C it is
Sir,
out,
D,
D
sir.
is out. Then only two are
Schedule
left.
5,
Either
Article
A or
370.
B. See, you have to use the technique to know it. Technique you use it. So answer is either A or B. Now use the technique.
Sir, yes, sir.
A is the right answer. See, that is the way that you have to make it out. Use the deductive method, then you find it the right answer. Number 20. There is also a dash whose make it a fundamental duty of the every citizen to value and preserve the rich heritage of India's culture, but no legislative or codified law, which means that it is written on paper only. Article 15, capital A, small a. Article 15, capital A, class B. Article 15, capital A, small c, and none of the above. Shoot.
None of the above, sir.
None of the above is the right answer. Article 15, 1, capital A and small f is the right answer for that above. Now let us see the I code effectual sui generis system IAM code referred to in dash of the TRIPS agreement is clearly intended as an alternative to the patent system. Article 27.1 means clause 1 or subarticle 1 small b. Article
C, sir.
27.2b. Article 27.3b is the right answer. Article 27, then here is the 3 members may be also excluded from the potentiality, and the B, the sui generis is come over there. So that is the answer for that question. Okay, the rights outlined in the Article 27 of the dash, which provides for the right to benefit from the production of the moral and material interest resulting from the authorship of a scientific, literary, or artistic production. A. World Intellectual Property Organization. B. Universal Declaration of the Human Rights. C. Trade-related aspects of the intellectual property rights. D. Berne Convention. Which one is the fit answer in the blanks? A or B or C or D?
Sir, B, sir. Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
Yes, that is a B is the right answer. Universal Declaration of the Human Rights is the right answer. Sandhya is right. Now, match the following. Here I gave the part 1. Marrakesh Treaty, Madrid Agreement, Berne Conventions, Paris Conventions. In part 2, I gave the explanation. For the production of the industrial property, for the production of literary and artistic work, concerning the international registration marks, to facilitate the access to published work by the visually impaired person and person with the print disabilities. Now, here I have given the 1D, 2B, 3C, 4A, 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B, and 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. Which one is the right answer? Anyone?
Sir, 1D. Sir, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B.
1D, 2B, 3C, 4A. A1 is the
A.
right answer. See here given Paris Convention for the production of industrial property. Berne Convention. See, when you are writing the dissertation, when you are writing the PhD thesis, there we can say that it's the artistic work, literary work, that we follow the Berne Convention and we signed the Berne Convention. Do you know and what is the year? The next multiple choice I have given over there. Madrid Agreement concerning the international registration of marks and Marrakesh Treaty to facilitate the access to the published works by the visually impaired persons and with the persons with the print disability. Then Marrakesh, in which country it is? Anyone? It is in Morocco, because when I was reading that, I found that one there. Okay, next comes to 24. There are many benefits acquiring the intellectual property rights. For example, Protecting your IP may result in all three, but not one. Which one it is? All three are connected to the IP, but not one. A, the increased market value of your business. B, convert ideas into the profitable assets. C, market and products and services of the business. D, decrease export opportunities for the business.
D, sir. D.
D, it is a D. It is not a decrease export, it is the increase export opportunity for the business. So that is the right answer. Now the 25th question. Plant Protection and Protection Act of Dash. 2000, 2001, C, 2002, D, 2003.
B, sir, 2001.
Yes, you are right. It is Daksab, I think that you spoke it. 2001 is the right answer. Okay, now 26th question now. A plant breeder is given a license or a special right to do the following in relation to the different types of the promotional material, all three but not one. Which one it is? A, introduce and reintroduce the material. B, offer material for sale or sell the material. C, export the material and import the material. D, stock of the goods for the above purposes. One is not connected to.
Sir, D, sir. D.
B,
No,
third
second
one.
option.
B, sir, B.
D, sir.
No, second, third option.
Introduce and reintroduce the material.
Reintroduce the material. No, this is produce and reproduce the material. I remove the produce, I use the introduce. I remove the reintroduce and I put the remove the reproduce and use the reintroduce. So produce and reproduce the material is the right answer for that. So that is actually the wording should be used over there. Again, come to the point of the 27th question. In its latest special dash report released by the United States Trade Representative USTR, the US termed India as one of the world's most challenging major economies with respect to production and enforcement of IP. Now you tell me, is it the section? What is the
Yes, sir.
special act? What is the special act?
Sir, 301.
301, Bahabali is right. 301 is the special act where it is mentioned over there. Okay, can anyone unmute and read 28th question?
Broadly, the following acts deal with the protection of intellectual property among four. Is not related to the protection of intellectual property.
One is not related to the protection of intellectual property. What is that? A, the Models Act of 2000. B, the
Semiconductor Integrated Circuits Layout Design Act 2000.
Second option.
No, sir. D, sir.
The
Correct
Models
answer.
Act. The Models Act, sir.
Third option.
D, sir. The production of plant varieties from farmers' rights, sir.
Next option.
B, sir. B.
Last में वही मिला.
Yeah, the Models Act, not Models Act. It's the Design Act.
Sir, I said, sir. I said.
Yes, you said, but when I made a clear thing, okay, no matter that I appreciate it. It is not the Models Act; it is the Design Act. I remove the design and I put over the model and say it is not connected over there. Now the case law, the trademark of the company was held to have the acquired a transborder reputation which enjoys the production in India, irrespective of its actual user or registration in India in the landmark case of Hyundai Corporation versus Rajmal Ganna, NR Dongre versus Whirlpool, and C. Austin Nicholas and Company, Sia Graham versus Arvindo Bell Director, Jagjit, and the Honda Motor Company Limited versus Keval Brothers and another.
Sir, NR Dongre versus Whirlpool.
Whirlpool, because Whirlpool is very famous, even though the company is not from the India, but Whirlpool is very famous. That's why it is that company is there, even though it is registered somewhere also. But the name got from the India Whirlpool. Hence, the right answer is that one. Okay, 30th. In the case of Dash, the court directed Excise and Customs Commission to disclose the complete export records of the infringing cigarettes to Ukraine by the defendant. Which case law? A, the Coca-Cola Company versus Bisleri International Private Limited. B, Jaininder Jain versus and others was Aryan Jain and others. And South Crest versus NK Jain. Of course, the fourth one I have forgotten to write there. Okay, now you choose among the three. The Coca-Cola.
Sir, Jainendra Jain versus ORS and ORS.
No, it's a Souza. It is a Souza cigarettes. The Souza Crest versus NK Jain would say about the cigarettes to Ukraine.
Sir, but it is under the laws of Brazil now. You said it was cigarettes to Ukraine to defendant by the defendant.
Yes, yes. Cigarettes to Ukraine, they are infringing the Ukraine law over there. But the South Crest versus NK Jain, it is held, the case. Okay, now 31 is in India.
The trademark of
Yeah,
Hollywood.
yeah.
Okay, sir.
Thanks. In India, a suit for the encroachment of the trademark, copyright, or patent act can be documented in a court not lower than a dash. The high courts of the Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, Bombay, Shimla, and Jammu and Kashmir are courts with the original jurisdiction, and hence an exception to the above rule.
District court, sir.
District court is the right answer. Not less than a district court. You should not say session court. We should not go high court because exceptions are given over there. Original jurisdiction. In those directly original jurisdiction, one can file it. But when it comes to the Telangana, it is a district court. In Andhra Pradesh also district court because that is not mentioned the original jurisdiction of the high court. Okay, next. 32. The court considered the idea of whether the underlying musical works come under the purview of the work for hire under Section 17 of the Copyright Act, as adjudged by the 1977 Supreme Court judgment. For this purpose, the court discussed whether the communication of the sound recording also amounts to the communication of underlying the work as decided in the case of A. Eastern India Motion Picture Association, B. Indian Performing Rights Society Limited, C. The Indian Performing Rights Society Limited, D. Indian Performing Rights Society versus Eastern India Motion Picture Association. Which one is the right answer? Among the A, B, C, D.
Sir, it's C, sir. The
It is
Indian
a
Performing Rights.
C. I appreciate. Sai Kirtan Bahubali said the right. It is the Indian Performing Rights Society Limited versus Entertainment Networks India Limited is the right answer for the 32 question. Now, 33 question. Can anybody read?
Sir, right to be
Right.
forgotten versus the right to be informed was decided in the case of Singh Munde versus Union of India and ORS. B. Joravar Singh Munde versus Union of India, Delhi High Court. C. Subhranshu Raut versus State of Odisha. Sir, scroll. D.
Yes.
Zulfikar Ahmad Khan versus Quintilon Business Media Private Limited and ORS.
ORS means others.
That's
Yes. Now you tell me which is the right case law. Right to be forgotten versus the right to be informed was decided in the case of. Shoot, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter.
B, sir. Shankar.
Second option. Second option. Joravar Singh Munde versus Union of India, Delhi High Court. That is the B. Okay, let's come to the 34th. Right to privacy and postmortem personality right are decided in the case of A. Eastern India Motion Pictures Association, B. Subhranshu Raut, C. Krishna Kishore Singh, D. K.S. Puttaswamy and others. A, B, C, D, which are there on the screen. Premala, your voice is broken. That's why I could not hear properly what you said.
Sir, it's B, sir. Subhranshu Raut versus State of.
No, second option.
D, sir. Puttaswamy versus Union of India.
No, that is Aadhaar card case law, privacy.
Oh, shit. Sir, A.
No, then what is the
Last
Please.
में तो ये मिल गया.
D, sir.
Krishna Kishore Singh versus Sarla A, Sara Sarogi and others. That is the right case law where it is different. Right to privacy and postmortem personality right are decided in that case law. Okay, next 35th. Intellectual property infringement cases non-bailable decided in the case of. It's a non-bailable means not compoundable. A. Indian Performing Rights Society. B. Piyush Subhash Bhai Ranipa Kesla. C. Shubhanshu Raut and D. Indusin Media versus State of NCT of Delhi and another.
Piyush Subhasal Ranipa.
Yes, that is exactly case law. Piyush Subhash Bhai Ranipa versus State of Maharashtra. Use the deductive and inductive method so that we can make it out. Because in the exam also that fellow cannot make the cases morely. That's why that he will give the cases so that it's easy for the student to pick out by the deductive method following the what is given in the above right or wrong. Okay. Now it comes to the 36th question. The doctrine of fair use trims or the copyright ownership and where de minimis curat lex, that means the minor thing, the trivial thing can be overlooked, was used in the case of dash. A. Google LLC. B. Bentley System UK Limited. C. Engineering Analysis Center for Excellence. D. Golden Toby Private Limited versus Golden Tobacco Limited. In which case law it is decided? This is a very interesting case law. I will give the facts of the case law here. See, Google, what is invented? Google. Is it C plus advanced language? Is the Android or it is the what I say the
Windows.
no. This is another is there. The Google, no, in the Google, what happened? No, they copied some of the lines from the another company which developed the other thing that is Java, but they say
Yes.
it is not a copy.
So
It is not
answer
a
is
copy.
yes, sir.
Answer is yeah. So in a dispute that lasted for the more than 10 years, coming to the fruitful end of the April 2029, Google in developing its Android system had made use of the substantial amount of the 11,500 lines of the application programming interface API of the Java programming language that is currently owned by the Oracle America. So that is the case. Now it is a very interesting. Now I think Kirtan will give the answer, Bahubali will give the answer definitely for this question. And I am sure that those who are very much well versed in the smartphone and in the web, in the internet, they will give the answer for this one. Yes, Google developed Oracle Corporation, Linux, and Bijarne Strauss-Trapp. Now here, OPS Linux, operating system Linux, owns C double plus programming, and a C Android operating system, D Java SC platform. 1C, 2D, 3FRB, 1C, 2D, 3FRB, 1C, 2D, 3FRB, 1C, 2D, 3FRB. Which one is the right answer?
Sir, 1D, no, 1C.
See, we know Google, just now I say.
All are same,
Yes,
sir.
yes, 1C, 4B. दोनों सेम ही है.
I gave all the correct ones.
All,
Three. But right answer is this, all the three are there because I did not change there. Google
1C,
developed
that's what.
the Android operating system. Oracle
Jarne, I
Corporation
know
is
C++,
Java SC
sir. Jarne, I know
platform.
C++.
Linux, OPS Linux operating system. Bajarne owns a C double plus programming system. That means I want to make it out. Sir, B's are right. No, all are A, same. Immediately they say, sir, it is, sir. All are the same. Okay, let us come to the next 38 question. The Doha round begins. Still 5 minutes are left over there. I can complete it. Doha round began with the ministerial level meeting in Doha, Qatar in 2001. The aim was to focus on the needs of developed countries, developing countries, least developed countries. Shoot.
Sir, yes, sir, developed countries.
No, second option.
Sir, least developed countries.
Third option.
Developing countries ही होती है.
Developing countries is the right answer. Okay, the General Agreement Tariffs and Trade, GATT, is a legal agreement between the many countries whose overall purpose was to promote the international trade by eliminating the trade barriers such as trade embargoes, trade restrictions, tariffs and quotas, or sanctions. The right answer is C, tariffs and quotas. Okay, 40. Berne Convention, I already told you. It is regarding the thesis and it is regarding the artistic work, including the articles as well as the dissertation and reports. So, artistic works written by in 1886, the Berne Convention was the first major multilateral convention on copyright law. Dash became a party to this treaty in 1989. India, Bangladesh, Russia, or United States.
Russia, sir.
It is a Russia became then what about India? India, you know, on 20th April 1928, India has been the member of the Berne Convention. Since 20th April 1928, it has been submitting the declaration as per the Schedule 2 and 3, the apex from time to time. Next, 41. Anti-Counterfeiting Trade Agreement, ACTA, was adopted 2011. ACTA is a multilateral trade agreement that dash counterfeiting the generic medicine and online copyright infringement. Whether it regulates it, governs it, rules it, adapts it. That's a regulating bodies.
Governs,
They regulate it. Those are statutory bodies, are regulating bodies, they are regulated. The answer is A. 42. Agreements on trade related aspects of intellectual property right is a TRIPS. TRIPS is an international agreement that dash for all the world trade organization countries. A. Maximum standards for production of intellectual property. B. Sets the minimum standard for the intellectual property production. C. Basic standard. D. Basic limitations. Answer is shoot, even though it is
The
a trade
basic
agreement.
standard.
C.
It's a B. Sets a minimum standard of the intellectual property.
Physical limitations.
Yes, 43. The IMF, also known as the fund, was conceived in the UN conference in Dash, United States in July 1944. Ohio, Alabama, Washington, Bretton Woods, or New Hampshire.
sir, New Hampshire, sir.
New Hampshire is the right answer. The general agreements on tariff and trade came into force in, wait, 1st January, 2nd January, 1st March, 2nd March.
2nd January.
1st January 1948 is the right answer. The General Agreement Trade Tariff was signed in by the 23 countries and October 1947 after the World War II and became the law on the 1st January 1948. And the last question is, patent application can be filed in India by all three except one. True and false inventor, false and first inventor, C, assignee or the inventor. Which one is the right answer?
The legal representative of the inventor.
The answer is legal, no. B, false and first inventor is a wrong answer.
Sir,
Okay.
is
Yeah,
एक doubt है, sir.
Yes, bolo.
Sir, a patent application can be filed either by true or first inventor or assignee, according to.
Yeah.
Sir, yeah, the fourth one is different.
Fourth one is the right answer, but the second I fabricated it. So now the next is, what is that next?
Labor Indian.
Labor and industrial law.
Labor and industrial law. Next is how many marks?
4 marks.
4 marks. What are you have to study in the labor and industrial law?
Defines
Define the
the
relationship and code of conduct between the employees and employee. Candidates are exposed to aware of the labor codes, recent labor reforms approved by the government of India, norms and laws related to the International Labor Organization, ILO also you have to study. You have to